I am a believer in, oh wait, what am I a believer in? I don't know.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Will Buy You video, where I go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and show you guys what I got. Today we're looking at what I got at Lululemon. Yeah, Lululemon. I don't know where they came up with that name. First of all, I thought the bags were pretty fancy. It says, friends are more important than money. Yeah, true. Jealousy works the opposite way you want it to. Practice yoga so you can remain active in physical sports as you age. Some of you have asked me what I do for exercise, and my main form of exercise is yoga. Therefore, I bought some yoga pants at Lululemon. Let's get those out. And what better way to show you guys these pants than to try them on real quick. See ya. All right, here they are. They are high-waisted and wide-legged yoga pants. The top that I have on looks very black, and these pants, gray-black, but they're black. So, when putting these on, the waist part was tight going over my hips, but it seems to fit really well around the smallest part of my waist, which makes me think these are size 6. If you don't have a small waist, I am thinking that it would feel really tight. And here, I'm not liking this right here. At least not in the mirror. Yeah, the mirror that's right in front of me, it looks just, it's accentuating this. So I'll just stand like this. Anyway, so here's the length, which is fine. The length is fine. But all in all, they're just some comfortable black exercise pants. And I would actually feel comfortable wearing these other places because they aren't the skin tight workout pants that I'm used to. And I don't always like looking like I just came from the gym. All right, so let's check out what else we have to try on. That's it, you guys. These pants were $98. So I got one thing in this haul at Lululemon. That's why when I go in there, I'm kind of overwhelmed at the price of simple workout items. Do you guys remember maybe a year or two back where Lululemon was in trouble for their workout pants because they ended up being see-through? Something that people didn't see before purchasing because they became more see-through out in the daylight or when they were stretched out. I'd be mad too. Yeah, but these are very thick and I really do like the high waist on them. You can keep your pooch under the waistline, which is nice. And also, did you know that Lululemon will hem your pants for you for free, which I think is a very, very nice extra, but almost expected since the price point is so high. But I do think that is an added bonus to shopping there. Almost makes me want to hem these pants just to get that little extra for my $98. So although I am one that really loves a good sale on my clothing, I also believe that you need a few more expensive pieces to pull it all together. And yes, right now I'm talking about yoga pants, so that's not going to do much for my wardrobe, but I do have a lot of workout wear, and these will be nice to have for more than just yoga. So that's it, you guys, for this video on what $100 will buy you at Lululemon. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I know that I did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys!